Morning children, open your GK book. From there, lesson number 25. Before in previous class I thought I know my India. So today we are proud of India because we are belongs to India. Yes or no? We are living in India. इंडिया से इंडिया के बारे में हमको बहुत प्राउड फीलिंग होता है. क्यों प्राउड फीलिंग होता है? रीड अबाउट द फॉलोइंग इंडियन अचीवर्स एंड देयर अचीवमेंट्स that made us proud because so many people they are did achievement. That achievement is world famous. That's why we are feeling very proud. Why we are feeling proud? These all the achievers make it possible. Look at the pictures and write their names in the blank provided you maybe use the help box. Just see children, you have to read and recognize. He is the first to calculate the time taken by the earth to orbit the sun. He only first calculate what time is taking earth takes to orbit the sun. सन को राउंड मारने के लिए कितना टाइम लेता है? Who invent that? He is a Bhaskaracharya. Who is he? Bhaskaracharya. He is Indian person. He is Indian proud person. Next, see here. Second, he invented zero. India invented the number system. But from there, zero. Who invented? He is a Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta is invented the zero. Now we are using zero in the math subject. Yes or no? Without zero, sums we cannot solve. Next, he is the father of medicine who he is father of medicine who consolidated Ayurveda 2500 years ago. He is very old history our India having. From there Ayurveda के बारे में इन्होंने इन्वाइट किया. What is the person name? Charak. He is the Charak. Nowadays we are using some Ayurvedic products. That all he only first invented. Now achievement. What our country's achievement? See here. It is the world's largest and oldest and continuous civilization. What is this? This is a Harappa civilization. What is this? Harappa civilization is very oldest continuous civilization. Understood children? This achievement our country. See next. India is the only country other than the USA and Japan to have built it ingeniously. What is this? Supercomputer. India is the one of the country. He was also built a genius supercomputer. Next, this is indoor game ऑर्गेनाइटेड इन इंडिया. इस गेम को हमारे देश में ही शुरुआत किया. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? नाउ you have to know about some things, some points. What are that I am explaining? See here children. India is one of the largest English speaking nation because our country is second in the population. That's why our country members so many are talking. Largest English spoken nation is this. And then India never invaded any country in her last 10,000 years of history. And then Sanskrit is the oldest language in the world that we are using in our mother tongue language. Next, India has the second largest pool of scientists and engineers in the world. सेकेंड नंबर में हमारा देश आता है इंजीनियर के लिए और साइंटिस्ट के लिए भी. India is the world's largest democracy. Now our election is our system is democracy, that is one is largest in the world. Understood children? What you have to do children? This you have to read and write in your GK notebook. First you have to write this sentence, next you have to write the name of person. This again and again you have to read and send your homework to me. Thank you.